Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you're searching for a professional-grade miter saw that combines power, precision, and impressive cutting capacity, the Makita LS1219L 12-inch dual-bevel sliding compound miter saw deserves serious attention. This is one of Makita's flagship corded miter saws, designed for contractors, woodworkers, finish carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts who demand clean, accurate cuts every time. So, is this product really worth buying? What do the numbers actually mean in real-world use? And why is this such a popular choice among professionals? Let's break it down. At the heart of the LS1219L is a powerful 15-amp direct drive motor that delivers up to 3,200 revolutions per minute. Unlike belt-driven systems, the direct drive design transfers power directly to the blade, helping maintain consistent cutting performance while reducing maintenance. The soft start feature also creates smoother startups and extends the life of the internal components. The saw uses a large 12-inch blade and offers impressive cutting capacity. It can crosscut material up to 15 inches wide at 90 degrees, cut up to 8-inch crown molding nested, and handle 6 3/4-inch vertical baseboards. For anyone working on trim, cabinetry, flooring, framing, or remodeling projects, those numbers translate into fewer workarounds and more efficient cutting. One of the standout features is Makita's unique two-steel rail sliding system. Traditional sliding saws often require significant rear clearance, but this design allows the saw to operate nearly flush against a wall. That means you can enjoy full sliding capacity while saving valuable workshop or job site space. Precision is another area where the LS1219L shines. The built-in laser guide clearly displays the line of cut whether the blade is spinning or stationary. It also offers micro-adjustments for left of blade or right of blade alignment, helping users achieve extremely accurate cuts without constant measuring and repositioning. When it comes to versatility, this saw offers dual-bevel functionality from 0 to 48 degrees left and right, along with miter adjustments from 0 to 60 degrees in both directions. Positive stops at commonly used angles including 15, 22.5, 31.6, 45, and 60 degrees help speed up repetitive work while maintaining accuracy. The large aluminum base and integrated fence system provide excellent stability for larger workpieces. Combined with Makita's linear ball-bearing slide mechanism, the saw delivers smooth movement and highly accurate cuts across a wide range of materials. Dust management is another major advantage. Dual dust collection ports help improve dust extraction performance, whether you're using the included dust bag or connecting an external vacuum system. Cleaner workspaces not only improve visibility but also make long projects much more comfortable. The saw measures approximately 898 by 664 by 725 millimeters and weighs about 65 pounds or 29.5 kilograms. Despite its substantial cutting capacity, Makita engineered it to remain relatively compact for a 12-inch sliding saw. In terms of pricing, the LS1219L typically falls within the premium professional category, often selling around the $900 to $1,000 range depending on retailer and promotions. For many users, the combination of cutting capacity, precision, direct drive performance, laser guidance, and compact footprint makes it a long-term investment rather than just another tool. Why is this such a popular choice? Because it successfully blends professional-grade accuracy, large cutting capacity, powerful performance, and thoughtful design features into one machine. Woodworkers and contractors consistently praise its rigidity, smooth sliding action, and ability to handle demanding projects with confidence. If you're looking for a high-capacity miter saw that can tackle trim work, crown molding, baseboards, framing cuts, and precision woodworking projects while delivering reliable performance day after day, the Makita LS1219L is definitely a model worth considering. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.